Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. First of all, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you have a great Thanksgiving tomorrow. And remember that tomorrow the market is closed. And on Friday, we have a half day or a partial day on Friday, only open till 1 p.m. And that is a very low volume holiday trading. It's not a very good trading day. That being said, let's look at the news for the day. We had a whole bunch of news come out at 8:30. We had preliminary GDP quarter on quarter, which was as expected at 2.8%. Unemployment claims came out, and they were also right at the number, 213K versus 215, so very close, certainly within the margin of error. Core durable good orders month over month came in slightly less, but positive, 0.1% versus 0.2%. Durable goods orders month over month were less than expected at 0.2% versus 0.4%. So a little bit of maybe, a flare going off here about durable goods, but it is cyclical this time of year. So we'll just have to wait and see. Also, as we saw yesterday, the housing is down. So durable goods are a lot of housing type stuff. Preliminary GDP was slightly better than expected at 1.9 versus 1.8. Trades balance, nobody cares, negative number. Preliminary wholesale inventories were positive versus a 0, which means that inventories were slightly building. This could be anticipation of the holiday season. Nothing really to worry too much about. 9:45, we have Chicago PMI. At 10 o'clock, we have core PCE. Remember, a PCE price index is a big thing that the Fed looks at for the underlying inflation. Pending home sales also at 10 o'clock, personal income and personal spending. 10:30, we have crude oil inventories, and at 12 noon, natural gas storage. And that rounds out the day. Regular trading day today, regular trading time. But lots of stuff going on today. Lots of stuff to be careful about. So 9:45, 10 a.m. Are two times when you want to make sure you're paying attention. All right, moving on. Chart. What does this chart look like? I put a magenta line up here, a purple line. That is very, very close to a double top. Love double tops as a trade. Short into that. It may only stay there for a little while. This is a very bullish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days up. Remember, the market loves 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. So we did have a 7. Now I'm counting these two doji days as up days, which technically you cannot do, but it's in the movement there. So 7 may have had our 7th day, which means we could have a pullback day today. But I think we're going to test the all-time highs sometime today. Volume is blah. It's not bad. It's not good. It's just there. We're above the moving averages. We're above the trend lines for the most part. Yes, bullish. Looking at inventory, price action was positive, and the inventory was positive by 2,100 or so shares or contracts. So that is positively correlated. And that is the way it is supposed to be. I do see just a little bit. You see this big red candle and that red big candle, that red big. That's this is the last hour of trading. A lot of people may be panicking out, getting out, whatever you want to say, on the last hour. This is after the market's closed from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So I don't know what you can make out of that. I still think that we are extremely toppy, although it certainly looks like we're about to break out. Overnight action, so it's approximately 23 points, and of course that is about average. So volatility doesn't look particularly good or particularly bad. Again, once we get above 60-60, we're in no man's land. We're at all-time highs. So we'll have to wait and see. There's nothing no chart structure. These are guesstimations. So potential resistance at 60.84, 60.61. Of course, the whole number of 60.50. On the downside, we have support at 60.14. Of course, the 6,000 is a very whole number, 59.90, 59.80 as resist, I should say as support. So those are your support and resistance numbers for today. Stock Traders Almanac, 71.4%, 71.4% that the market will be up based on historical averages from the Stock Traders Almanac. That's very high. So that means that there is only a 28.6% chance the market will be down, 71.4% chance the market will be up. We'll see how that pans out. Hope you guys have a great holiday, and I'll see you Friday morning. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.